Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First off, I wanted to tell you guys something really exciting. So I started a Patreon. I like the exclusivity, that word, exclusivity. That's what I like. I'm posting a lot on there, sometimes multiple times a day. It's only $4 a month. I'll have it linked down below if you want to go check it out. I talk about pretty much anything on there. I have like some posts talking about like drama and stuff, but it's going to be pretty much anything on there. And if you have any suggestions on what you want me to talk about on there, you can feel free to comment below. But yes, I will link it down below. It's only $4 a month. I just decided to do it. I was like anti-Patreon for a while, but now I'm just like, I mean, why not? You know, if people want to pay to see shit, like, why not? You know, like, it's another income stream. You can never have too many of those. So yeah, why not? And I'm not going to be one of the ones that's like sketchy about it. I'm not going to be one of the ones that's like, you know, you have to follow me on Patreon in order to find all the secrets of reselling, because that's just bullshit. Like, I'm never going to be like that, you know? Again, if you're interested, it'll be linked down below. Let's get in to the questions. This person says 2 questions regarding Poshmark. Got my first case for not the size in listing. I have 2 pictures of a size 10 petite and some measurements. I did not respond as I heard you do not have to, especially when it's for sizing. I see Poshmark has requested more pictures from the buyer. Is this normal? Makes no sense to me. Do I respond or let it ride? Okay, so let me answer that. So they're probably requesting more pictures. I don't know, maybe the person didn't send a picture of the size tag, but I would see, I don't know, people are like, don't respond to cases, but I respond to cases just because I don't know, I just have to say my piece. I would respond to it and just be like, hey, unfortunately Poshmark doesn't allow returns because of fit, but I have heard resellers say, no, don't respond, but I've never had good luck with not responding to cases. So all right, your other question. Also, I got my first sale, didn't go through because payment info is not correct. Do I wait for or should I relist? I don't see anything coming in, and this was yesterday. Got my first sale, didn't go through because payment info is not correct. So when that happens, I sometimes, not all the time, but I will send the buyer a message and just be like, hey, you know, I accepted your offer, but I got an error saying, you know, the payment didn't go through, or, you know, I got an error message saying the sale didn't go through. I try not to make it be like, hey, your card got declined. You know, I don't want to sound like that. I just want to say like, hey, I accepted it, but, you know, I got an error message. So yeah, I try to make them not, like, I don't want to like embarrass them, you know, if their card got declined or whatever. So I usually contact the buyer and then just kind of go from there. You said, should you relist? So it's not going to show sold until they actually purchase it, until like the card info is correct and the sale like goes through. Next question, Vanessa, I came across this on Reddit, just wondering if you have heard of anything like this. And she sent me a screenshot. It says, my sales skyrocketed when I did this. I stopped chasing trends and focused on wardrobe staples, stuff people need and will get a lot of use out of. I sell many mature brands and styles that will never be a bolo on Instagram. I sell a lot of neutral colors, black, cream, blue. Are these items boring to list? Yeah, kind of. What's far worse is having 0 sales. I consider wardrobe staples to be tops, jeans, shoes, cardigans, little bark dresses. There are more, but that's off the top of my head. So that's interesting. That is interesting. It makes me want to do maybe like a little experiment. I like selling trendy things though. I don't think I could just completely stop selling trendy things and just sell like a wardrobe staple, like boring shit. Like, it does seem kind of boring to me to do that. Like, honestly, when I go to a thrift store and I see like staples, I'm just like, meh. But maybe I'll start looking more, you know, if I can get them at the right price. I feel like the next time I go to the thrift store, I'm going to be looking at like basic shit now. But no, I haven't heard of that, like giving somebody more sales. No, I haven't. I mean, it makes sense, you know, in this economy, people don't want to splurge. They just want things that they need, not things that they want, you know. This is like so random, but we're having a yard sale. We actually had a yard sale a couple weekends ago. One of you guys came up to me. I forgot your name. Oh my gosh, it was such a crazy day, but I was trying to remember your name and I feel like a friggin' idiot that I can't remember your name, but thank you for coming up to me. It's really cool when you guys come up to me, but we're gonna do a couple of more yard sales this summer. I was gonna vlog the first yard sale, but it was just kind of like too stressful. But I might vlog this yard sale. I might wear like my GoPro and do that. I think I might. So look for that coming soon. I just want to throw that out there. Okay, last question. Vanessa, have you ever seen this before? Send me a screenshot. It says meet and greet. Help welcome new Poshers. Leave them a comment to say hi and help them get started. And then it has a list of Poshmark closets. And then there's a little button that says say hi. And I don't know what happens when you tap on that button. Maybe it brings you to their closet. I don't know, but no, I've never seen that before. Oh, and then you sent me another screenshot, and it's a screenshot from your news feed. It says, help welcome new Poshers and grow your network. Interesting. Yeah, I've never seen that before. That's just a way for Poshmark to just have more like engagement on the app, I guess. But yeah, that's never come up in my news feed, so. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Again, I will have my Patreon link down below if you're interested in that. I'm just having a lot of fun with it. I feel like it's kind of like a diary in the sense, or I can just like type things or post like random videos when I'm just thinking of something in the moment, as opposed to like filming a full-on YouTube video, you know. Yeah, I'm having fun with it. Again, it's only $4 a month. I will have a link down below. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.